friends. Welcome to Fun Time Learning. Today, we're going to learn something super cool. Opposites. Are you ready? Let's go. Look, this elephant is big, and this mouse is small. Big, small. Can you show me something big? Stretch your arms out wide. Now show me something small. Make your hands teeny tiny. Opposites are words that mean the very different thing. Like hot and cold. Can you say hot?
Hot.
Now say cold.
Cold.
Great job. Let's try some more. Look, the kids are playing. They are happy. The sun is shining, the cloud is smiling, it's happy too. But look over there, that little girl is sitting on the bench. She's not playing. She looks sad. Happy and sad. Whoa! That cheetah is fast. Zoom! And that turtle is slow. Fast. Slow. Let's run in place fast. Go, go, go. Zoom, zoom. Now let's move super slow, slow motion. Whoa. This giraffe is tall. And this penguin is short. Can you stand up tall like a giraffe? Now crouch down low like a little penguin. Awesome! It's day when the sun is out. It's night when the moon shines. Day. Night. What do you do during the day? What do you do at night? Look! The treasure chest is open. Now it's closed. Click. Open. Close. Let's pretend to open a big door. Creak. Now close it. Slam. Can you do it again? Open. Close. Nice job. This balloon goes up. And the yo-yo goes down. Up. Down. Let's reach up high to the sky. Now bend down and touch your toes. Up. Down. You're getting really good at this. Boom, boom. That drum is loud. Tiptoe, tiptoe. The cat is quiet. Loud. Quiet. Let's try it together. Say loud, really big. Loud. Now whisper, quiet. Quiet. You did a fantastic job learning opposites today. Let's remember what we learned. Big and small. Fast and slow. Tall and short. Loud and quiet. Happy and sad. Day and night. Give yourself a big round of applause. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun learning videos. See you next time, friends. Bye.